Hey guys, what's up? So today we are going to be creating this desert sunset on our eyes. So if you would like to see how I got this look, then just stay tuned. Okay, so today we are using the Chaotic Cosmetics Double Scoop Deluxe palette. I am just taking the yellow out of that palette, and that is going to go right into the corner of our eye here. Really packing that color on. Now I'm just taking the orange from that palette and we are just slightly blending those two together. Now we are taking a coral kind of shade from that palette and I'm just placing that right up in this area close to the brow. And we don't want any harsh blends with this, so I'm going to take a little bit of that yellow again and just slightly blend upwards into that coral color. All right, so now I'm going to take the hot pink from that palette and we are going to place that right in here next to that orange. Really start to build that up and pack that on. Taking the darker purple from that palette and placing this right on the outer corner of my eye. This palette is so messy, you guys, but we're going to go in with a blue and just place that right in here. And we want to really blend and blow this out. Taking the lavender shade, I am just going to start blending this purple up to the brow bone area. Then going back in with the purple, blending and blowing this out even further. And then kind of going backwards with our steps, taking that pink. And then the coral. All right, so now I'm taking my Mehron Paradise Paint palette and I'm just taking the light brown in that palette and we are just creating that canyon and the mountains behind it. I know it's kind of difficult to see right now, but once we put all that detail in, it will definitely start to pop. And then I'm going to just take some green and we're going to do a nice little cactus here. Now I'm just going to go in and kind of outline this whole entire mountain and canyon and add some detail into it. And now I'm just going to add some foliage and bushes and shrubs and grass to kind of create some depth. These are Heavenly Lashes from Beat Gang Lashes, and you can use my code BRIA to save some money. I do not make anything from that code. It's simply for you to save some money. I'm going to add some lashes, and this look will be complete. And here is the final makeup look. Let me know if you guys want me to do more of these makeup looks, and I can totally do that for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.